Yo, what's up? It's Obi, and welcome to another session of theCut U. In the past, companies processing payments were only required to notify the IRS if you process over $20,000 and 200 transactions in a single calendar year. They had no idea that one day apps like Venmo, Zelle, and CashApp would arrive and allow payments to travel outside of the traditional systems like credit card machines and registers where they had all the visibility. In response, what did Congress do? They passed the American Rescue Act. HR 1319 will require these payment processing companies to send both the customer and the IRS a 1099 form when they send or receive more than $600. Form 1099 is a tax document that shows all the income you've earned throughout the entire calendar year. So what does this really mean for you? It means that if you use a single account for both your personal and business payments, you're putting your funds at risk. If the IRS ever decides to audit your account, they wouldn't be able to accurately tell the difference between your payments coming through some money app or what's coming from your friends for dinner or a client paying for customers. This could result in your personal payments being tax-like income. So what do? First, as a barber, you're an independent contractor. Like Jay-Z said, you're a businessman. You should have a bank account for your business that is separate from your personal accounts. And if you don't, no worries. It's super easy to set up. All you need is an EIN to get started, and once your account's live, it's easy to transfer money between accounts. Second, with theCut, you can easily track and accept payments with the app. We offer a cancellation no-show policy as well, so you can guarantee that you get paid. We also provide revenue analytics, so you can see your success real time. We'll prepare an annual report for you so that you can file your taxes too. Moral of the story, stay ready so you don't have to get ready. Download theCut today so that you can manage your earnings all with the app. Comment below and tell us your favorite thoughts about this law. And be sure to watch our next video on tax preparations where we dive deeper and get you ready for next tax season.
Thank you for watching theCut U. Hit the link below to download theCut and start your 15-day free trial today. Join the other 10,000 barbers who are actively getting discovered by new clients and managing their schedules and transactions. Please hit that subscribe bell, like the video, and share with someone you think will benefit from what we've shared today.